Nia. Nia.
So today we've got some help from our friends. Busy taking out all of the old furniture here, disassembling some cabinets and removing them. So all the furniture here on the first floor has been carried down with the help of some of our friends. All of the cabinets, everything that was standing here is now gone, including the old bed set that was here. So lots of emptiness for us to do what needs to be done.
Well, that's 22 minutes worth of work. This is an extremely tough piece of wallpaper with backing to get off. It's going to take me a while. I might need to reevaluate if we really need to take this off, because it's this will set us back a couple of days in terms of ripping it out. We'll see. We'll make an analysis and decide. But in the meantime, we made some great progress today with the help of Hugo and his boys, and with the help of Vikas as well, some of our friends. So you'll see all of the material that was sitting here has been removed. We've now also stripped out the back wall at the Airbnb and the front side of it. That material over there is all the material that's left after that. We've also managed to get all the furniture out of the entire house that we don't want in here anymore. For example, the big cupboard in the kitchen, the lounge set over there. So everything is nice and clean and nice and open. So it's great to work in a fairly open space. Same on the first floor. Managed to get all of that out as well. Yeah, been busy. We also managed to get one full big bag of waste. I'll show you guys in a minute. So that is our first 1 cubic meter of demolition waste, and the second one I've just bought today, and yeah, it's going to be filled quite quickly. So keep following the page and yeah, see what happens. Okay, so in taking off the wall panels, we've found a bit of an air gap. So I'm going to clean this out a little bit, and then I'm going to fill this up with spray foam to insulate it, to keep the cold weather out whilst we're building. And then later on we're going to seal this entire thing off with insulation on the inside. Close the window up with some stuff and put a facade on the outside. And that's a wrap for this week.